Welcome back, students. Still working on my final monstrous creation, so you'll have to wait until tomorrow to see what that is. Today, though, we're going to be talking a little bit about multiplication and division and deciding, are we multiplying or are we dividing when looking at a word problem? And a big clue that's going to help us a little bit here, when we are multiplying, we are looking for a total. We're looking for in all. And when we're dividing, we know the total and we're looking for a part. These two things are going to help us pick out clue words from our two word problems for today and decide, are we multiplying or are we dividing? So let's write down RDW since we're doing a word problem so we remember it, and take a look at this one. The Jones family orders 4 pizzas to eat. All right, I'm going to go ahead and start my draw strategy here as I'm reading through. 1, 2, 3, 4 pizzas to eat. Each pizza, I like that word each, is sliced into 6 pieces. Now this is nice right here, sliced into 6 pieces, because it's talking about my groups here. It's telling me in each one of these pizzas I have 6 slices. In other words, I can say I have 4 groups of 6. And this should look really familiar to you here because groups of means multiplication. So we can break this down into 4 times 6 is going to tell us our answer. How many slices will the family be able to share? I got a little ahead of myself because I knew the problem here. We should finish reading before I start doing all of this. But I already knew how many slices will the family be able to share. This how many slices will they be able to share? I'm looking for a total. I'm looking for in all. How many do they have all together to share between them? Hopefully there's a lot of them because that's a lot of pizza. But how much do they have in all? So my clue words here, the parts that really helped me were, let's see, they each helped me a little bit, but I'm going to see that in division problems too. I think this word into was that important word, into 6 pieces, really helped me know that I had 4 groups and that each of them had 6. So I really liked this into, or maybe even sliced into, as my favorite clue words here. And then how many will they be able to share? I'm kind of just reading into that they want my total. Now I can go ahead and solve. What is 4 times 6? Well, 2 times 6 is 12, so 4 times 6 is going to get me 24. And if I don't know that fact, I could also just count 6, 12, 18, 24. The family has 24 pieces of pizza. Here is a completed problem where I didn't know my operation, but I checked for it by finding some clues, drawing my picture, and writing out my final answer. Let's try one more. Let's try another one here. We're going to look at another pizza problem here. The Jackson family orders 3 pizzas. Oh, I always do that. There we go. Orders 3 pizzas to eat. If there are 24 slices in all, 24 in all, how many pieces is each pizza cut into? So am I looking for a total, or am I looking for a part? Total tells me multiplication, part tells me division. Wow, that's a sloppy division sign. Let's draw my picture and see. We have 3 pizzas, and in all, or all together, I have 24 slices. What I'm missing here is how many in each group. I have 3 groups of something equals 24. I'm missing one of the parts. I'm missing one of the factors. That tells me that I am dividing. I can write this problem 2 ways. 3 times something equals 24. Or I can write it as 24 divided by 3 equals something. Okay, so my best clue word here by far was in all. It said 24 in all. That told me I know the total. If I know the total, I'm looking for a part. How many pieces? That pieces is going to help me here too. Pieces is each pizza cut into. But far and away, the best clue, I'm going to give it some little sun rays here, was in all. Now we can go ahead and solve. I've got these 3 pizzas. I got 24 slices. Well, let's check through my numbers. Can each pizza have 10? No, that's too much. It should be 30 slices. But I know that each pizza can have 5 slices in it because 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. I'm not done yet, though, because 24 minus 15 slices, there's still 9 slices left. But I know what 9 shared among 3 groups is. That's 3. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. How many pieces is each pizza cut into? So I'm going to count how many slices in one pizza. 5, 6, 7, 8. Each pizza has 8 slices. Be thinking about what you're looking for, a total or an in all, or if you're looking for a part as you work through these word problems on your own. Make sure you use the audio in the Pear Deck slides to listen to the problem if that helps you, and come back here tomorrow to see if I'm done with my magical creation.